Today I'm going to make this roasted cabbage steak with delicious lemon juice, garlic, and toasted walnuts. It's a delicious, low potassium, kidney friendly meal. So join me today and let's make this cabbage steak. Welcome back to Renal Diet HQ. I'm Mathea Ford. Today I have a question for you. What did the cabbage say to the carrot? Quit stalking me. Okay, now for the real stuff. We're talking about roasted cabbage steaks today. We're going to turn this cabbage into a delicious kidney-friendly meal with the cabbage and all these assorted ingredients. It's going to come out great and you're going to love it. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a head of cabbage. We have oil, we have lemon juice, garlic, walnuts, and some black pepper. Very simple recipe, very easy to make, and it makes a very filling dish. So let's get started. All right, so for the cabbage steaks, we are going to put I put a piece of wax paper, you can put parchment paper, and then I just go ahead and spray it with the non-stick spray to keep it from sticking. All right, now we're gonna cut the cabbage. So I'm gonna cut off this core end. And then I'm also gonna dig into it a little bit. All right, now we're gonna slice it into 1-inch thick steaks. So just gonna start on one end. And this is mostly core, so I'm going to not use that. All right, now I'm gonna place the cabbage steaks onto the cutting board. Usually end up with about 5 to 6, so you can have those ready to go. All right, next step is to mix together the topping that we're going to brush onto these cabbage steaks. So we put oil, we've got lemon juice, we've got black pepper, and garlic. Lots of garlic. Absolutely delicious with the garlic on it. And the lemon juice gives you just a little bit of tang. All right, now let's put this delicious mixture on our yummy cabbage steaks, and then we'll flip them over and do both sides. The oil is healthy fat, and the garlic and lemon juice just make it super yummy. I like to scoop up those extra, make sure I'm getting pieces of garlic for everything. All right, let's flip these over. Okay, now we've coated both sides and we're getting ready to put these in the oven. All right, we've preheated our oven to 400. We're gonna put these cabbage steaks in, and then halfway through, you just turn the pan. You don't have to flip them. So we're gonna let those cook, and in the last couple minutes, we'll put the walnuts in to roast them a little bit too. Now we're gonna take the cabbage and turn it. As you can see, we're starting to get some nice roasting on the edges. So we got another 15 minutes. All right, we're gonna roast some walnuts while the cabbage is also cooking. So this takes 2 to 3 minutes, so I don't put it in until the last 2 to 3 minutes of baking for the cabbage, but I'm just gonna sprinkle, very simple, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven and it'll be ready to go. All right, I've got about 2 minutes left, so I'm going to put the walnuts in, and oh my goodness, they are looking so good. We're gonna get those roasted cabbage steaks out and our toasted walnuts. So now we're just gonna take and toss our walnuts on our cabbage steaks. Look at those delicious crispy edges. All right, now let's try one of these cabbage steaks. So I'm just gonna take one. I love that crisp edge right there. I know I'm gonna be able to take that garlic and that lemon juice. Oh, I really do taste the lemon juice. It's so good. And the walnuts are a nice crispy touch. Crunchy. That is really good. And I think it'd be a perfect side dish or a perfect lunchtime meal. I think this recipe is a win-win for your taste buds and your kidneys. Cabbage is low in potassium, making it perfect for people with kidney disease. This is a low sodium recipe, but it's also got lots of flavor. And remember my joke from the beginning, quit stalking me? Well, you're not going to be able to quit stalking these cabbage steaks. If you try them once, you'll love them and try them over and over. Hope you enjoy these cabbage steaks, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.